I'm Miss Roshni, and today I will talk about the 10th board exams. Preparing for the Class 10 CBSE's board exam in 2024 requires a strategic and comprehensive approach. Here are some tips to help you excel in your board exam. Understand the syllabus. Familiarize yourself with the CBSE Class 10 syllabus for all subjects. Create a study plan based on the weightage of each topic. Organize your study material. Gather all the textbooks, notes, and reference materials you'll need for each subject. Keep your study space well organized and free from distractions. Time management. Allocate specific time slots for each subject based on your strengths and weaknesses. Take short breaks during study sessions to maintain focus and avoid burnout. Practice regularly. Solve sample papers, previous year's question papers, and CBSEI practice papers. Practice time management during exams to improve your speed and accuracy. Conceptual understanding. Focus on understanding concepts rather than rote memorization. Seek help from teachers or classmates if you find any topic challenging. Revision is key. Regularly revise what you've studied to reinforce the information. Create concise notes for quick revision before exams. Use technology wisely. Explore online resources, educational apps, and interactive study materials. Leverage online platforms for doubt resolution and additional practice. Discover the image classes, board revision batch, an online booster for board exam preparation. This all-inclusive resource provides essential study and practice materials. Check out the link in the description for a closer look at its features. Assess through your exam. Elevate your exam readiness now. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper sleep, nutrition, and regular exercise. Stay hydrated and manage stress through relaxation techniques. Mock tests and self-assessment. Take regular mock tests to assess your preparation, identify weak areas, and work on improving them. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with any changes in the exam pattern or syllabus. Stay informed about important dates and announcements from the CBS Board. Group study. Consider group study sessions to discuss and clarify doubts with peers. Teaching concepts to others can reinforce your own understanding. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your ability to perform well. Manage exam anxiety through relaxation techniques and positive affirmations. Remember, consistent and focused efforts are key to success. Tailor your study approach to your learning style and make adjustments as needed. Good luck with your Class 10 CBSE Board exam in 2024.